mathematics class. Good morning, students. Okay, sir. Good morning, students. Now, let us see the continuation of yesterday's topic, integration. Before ending this class, you all go through the formulas. The 16 formulas, what I said yesterday. No need to, every time no need to see from where the formulas it came, just by heart the total 16 formula. If you know the formulas today, you can understand today's class. See here. Today, let us see a little bit new concept. Question will not be directly asked from direct formulas. Sometimes in the place of x, sometimes in the place of integral sine 4x. But we know the formula of sine x. What is the formula of sine x? It is minus cos x. It is minus cos x. What is the formula of integral sine x? It is minus cos x. But we require integral sine 4x. Integral sine 4x. Otherwise, integral sine 4x plus 5. Like this, if they ask, then what? How to do? Then how to do? The process is just think the whole thing as x. Ax plus b. Ax plus b. Consider this as x only. Consider this as x only and proceed forward by applying the formula. By applying the formula. For sin x, it is minus cos x. If you consider this as x, then what can be the answer here? If this is x, it is minus cos 4x plus 5. But here it is not ending here. There is further one more step because here not here there is no x. It is some in the form of ax plus b. In the place of x, if there is any number of form ax plus b, then we have to consider that thing as x and we have to apply the formula. And in denominator, what is the x coefficient? What is the x coefficient? It will come in the denominator. It will come in the denominator. See again, once again I was repeating the concept. If in the place of x there is ax plus b, there is ax plus b. Consider it as x. In this question, sin 4x plus 5 was asked. Consider 4x plus 5 as x. Now it will be of the form sin x. It is of the form, consider this as x. Then it will become of the form integral sin x. For integral sin x, it is minus cos x. For sin this thing, it will be minus cos that thing. And in denominator, what is the x coefficient here? That will come in the denominator. That will come under the denominator. See here, let us take one more example. Integral cos 4x plus 8. Integral cos 4x plus 8. See here, what is the integral cos x? What is integral cos x? It is sin x. It is sin x. But they have not asked for cos x. They have asked for cos 4x plus 8. Now consider this thing as x. Consider this thing as x. If you consider x, it will be of the form cos x. What is the formula for cos x? It is minus sin x. It is sin x. Now what can be the answer for this? It is sin. Consider this, if we consider this as x, it was of the form cos x. For integral cos x, the answer is sin x. Sin x means what is in the place of x? It will come here. Sin 4x plus 8. Sin 4x plus 8. Keep it in mind, it was not ending here. There is further one more step. The step it is, what is the x coefficient? It will come in the denominator. It will come in the denominator. Keep it in mind. In derivatives, if ax plus b is in the place of x, that x coefficient will come side by. Their x coefficient will come by side by. In integration, if ax plus b is in the place of x, then x coefficient will come under the denominator. Will come in the denominator. Keep it in mind. See here, once again repeating the concept. If in the place of x there is ax plus b, there is ax plus b. Consider that as x and proceed to the step. If we consider this as x, it was of the form sin x. What is the integral sin x? It is minus cos x. In the same way, sin x, it is minus 1. Don't confuse. Here it is some other, but I was saying x because you have to think that as x and proceed. If you think this as x and if you proceed, what formula will be useful here? Sin x formula. What is the sin x integration? Minus cos x. In the same way here it is minus cos 4x plus 5 by 4. Okay. See here, in the same way, here 4x plus 8. There is no direct formula. In the total 16 formula, there is no formula of this kind. So we have to consider this as x. Then it will become in the form integral cos x. This will become in the form integral cos x. What is integral cos x? It is sin x. If we consider this as x, it will become sin x. And not end up here. The answer is one more step. What is that? X coefficient will come in denominator. X coefficient will come in denominator. See here. This is that as x and proceed. At final, the x coefficient will come in the denominator. X coefficient will come in the denominator. Okay. See here. Write down the examples. Okay. Now, let us solve the sums in your NCERT textbook, exercise 7.1. See exercise 7.1. See the sums here. Integral sine 2x. Integral sine 2x. What formula we have to apply here? Consider this as x. If you consider that as x, it will be of the form integral sin x. What is the formula for integral sin x? It is minus cos x plus c. Minus cos x plus c. You have to consider this as x, then it will convert to that form. It is minus cos. If you consider this as x, integral sin x, it is minus cos x. X means in the place of x we get 2x upon. Answer will not end here because it is not x, some other in the place of x. X coefficient will come in the denominator. X coefficient will come in the denominator. Are you able to understand? In the place of x, if it is any number of the form ax plus b, consider that thing as x and proceed. And in the final answer, the x coefficient will come in the denominator because no direct formula for this. In order to solve this, you have to consider something which is of the form ax plus b as x. Then we will get out. This will be converted to our formula. If we consider this as x, it will convert into the formula upon quotient of x. In that something it will come in denominator. It will come under denominator. Okay. Next, cos 3x. Integral cos 3x. At final step you put plus c. Okay. Next, integral cos 3x. See here, what formula we require here? If we consider this as x, if we consider this as x, then it will convert into the formula type cos x. What is integral cos x? Integral cos x, it is sin x. It is sin x. If we think this as x, it will become of the form cos x. So cos x it is sin x. For cos something, it will be sin something upon what is the x equation? It will come in the denominator. It will come in the denominator. Okay, nothing new today. Only the thing is, if in the place of x there is ax plus b, you have to consider ax plus b as x. If you consider this as x, it will convert to the formula integral cos x and proceed the step cos something, it is sin something upon what is x equation, it will come in the denominator. It will come in the denominator. Okay. Next. See the third sum. E power 2x integral कैमरे के सामने तो नहीं आ रहा है। अच्छा कैमरा चल रहा है ना, अभी जस्ट चेक करते हैं, थोड़ा सा लेकर he thought that demo integral e power 2x integral e power 2x. Now if you consider this as x, it will be of the form integral e power x. What is the formula for integral e power x? E power x plus c. Integral e power x, it is e power x plus c. If you consider this as x, it will be of the form, that formula we can use this. It will be e power 2x upon 2. E power 2x upon 2. E power 2x upon 2. At final step, put plus here. Should I have taught you why we are putting plus c here? Okay. Next. Integral ax plus b whole square. Integral ax plus b whole square. See here. We can solve this in two ways. One by expanding. By expanding a plus b whole square, we get three terms, and we can integrate individually. That is the one way. And the second way is, if you consider the whole thing as x. If you consider the whole thing as x, it will be of the form x square. If you consider this as x, it will be of the form x power 2. Then you have to apply the formula x power n. You have to apply the formula x power n. See here. What is the formula for x power n? It is. What is the formula for x power n? It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is the formula for x power n plus 1? It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. You think this as x. If you consider this as x, it will be of the form x power n. If this is considered as x, it will convert to that form x power n. For x power n, it is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. For this, it will be ax plus b as x. Consider this as it will be plus 1 by 2 plus 1. But don't forget step x coefficient. In the place of x, there is ax plus b. Then x coefficient will come in the denominator. Okay. Then what is the final answer here? Ax plus b whole power 3 by 3a by 3. Okay, see here. This we can do in two ways. One by expanding a plus b whole square. We get three terms. We can do integration of individual comes. That is the one way. And second way, if we consider the total thing as x, it will convert to the formula integral x power n. What is integral x power n? It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. See, observe the steps here. Don't forget to write plus c in the last step. Okay, yesterday I had explained you why we have to put plus c in the final step. This is said to be integral constant. Okay. Next. Next. See the question here. Integral 4 e power 3x plus 1. Integral 4 into e power 3x plus 1. Now, two terms are there. Integral will distribute between this integral 4 e power 3x plus integral 1. Integral will go to this term and this term, both terms. Okay? See here. 4 will come outside since it is constant. E plus integral 1. Here. If we consider this as x, it will be of the form e power x. What is the formula for e power x? It is e power x. If you consider this as x, then what formula we will require here? E power x formula. What is the formula for e power x? It is e power x only. But don't forget that x coefficient, it will come in denominator. What is the x coefficient here? 3. Here 3 will come in the denominator. Next. Plus. One is constant. Actually, I tell you what is the integral of constant. Integral k, it is kx. Integral 1, it is 1 into x, it is x. Okay, see the steps here. Now, while you apply the formula, or when the integration process ends, you have to remove this operator, this integral operator up to this here operator. But here it got vanishes because we already did the process integration. Okay, see. Okay, next. See the question, 13th question. Integral x power 3 minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 1. See here, before integrating, let us do some algebraic calculation and after that we can integrate. See here. In this both terms, we can take x square common. If you take x square common between these two terms, we will get here x and here it is 1 plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. This will come under this term and this term. What it will be? Integral x square into x minus 1 by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x minus 1. They both get cancelled and we get x square plus 1. Integral x square plus integral 1. See here step, we did some algebraic calculations. From these two terms, we have taken x square common. Keep it the same way. Okay? Now we have distributed the denominator to this term and this term. They both get cancelled. Here x square is the remaining part and here it is 1. Now, what is the formula we require here? It is of the form x power n. What is the formula for x power n? It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. No doubtedly, this is the topmost used formula in the entire integration. Okay? X power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here it is x. Here it is x integral kx. Integral 1 it is 1 into x. X power 3 by 3 plus x plus okay, see the steps here. Up to this we did the algebraic calculations. Here we applied the formula. Once we apply the formula, we have to remove the operator, integral operator. Okay. And beside solving the formula which we use for solving of this sum, keep it aside. Just mention the formulas which we use in this step, calculation of the steps. Okay, see the 14th question here. See the 14th question. Integral 1 minus x into root x. Send this root x inside the brackets. It is root x minus x root x. Root x if we send inside, root x minus x root x. It will be of the form root we can write like this. Here x into root x we can write like this. No, we are not going to apply the formula, integral formula immediately. We are doing some algebraic calculations. After that, it is when it comes to easier one, then we will apply the integral formulas. Okay. It is easy to apply here integral formula, but here we have to do some solvations. For this, we are making this two way. Okay. Minus if it is there, it will be 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. What is the formula for it is of which form here? X power and x power, and in the place of x it is x, in the place of n it is 1 by 2. X power and it is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. See here, integral x power n x power 1 by 2. In the place of n here it is 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. It will be x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. See here, it will be reciprocal 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 plus 6. See the calculations. Up to with this, we did some algebraic calculations, and after that, we applied the formula of integrations. We applied the formulas of integrations. Next. See the 17th question. See the 17th question. I'm going to cover. See the 17th question. Integral 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x plus 5 root x. Okay. See here. Before applying the integration, let us make this in a comfort manner and we will apply the integral formulas. Okay. Let us split the integral to each term. Integral 2x square minus integral 3 sin x plus integral 5 root x. Take the constants outside the integral. Okay, next. What the formula we are going to apply here? X power n. What is the formula required here? X power n. What is the formula for x power n? It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. It is 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 3. What is the formula we require here? Integral sin x. What is the formula? Plus 5 into root x. Root x you can write x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 will be of the form x power n. X power 1 by 2. You can write this as 1 by 2. By applying this formula, it will become x power mod. Don't get confused from where we got this 1 by 2. X root x, it means x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. See here, 2 power 2 into x power 3 by 3 minus minus it will be plus. Here 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 3 by 2. If 3 by 2 goes up, it will be 2 into 5 is 10 by 3. It will be 10 by 3 into power 3 by 2. See the steps here. At last, don't forget. Yes. See the steps here. What we followed. Rule of linear. According to rule of linearity, integral comes to how many terms are there? Individual it will go. Integral to this term, and that term. Bring the constants outside. Here we require the formula x power n. X power n, it is x power n plus 1 by n plus. Here minus 3 integral sin x, it is minus cos x. Minus minus will be plus. Here root x. Imagine root x can be taken as x power 1 by 2. For x power 1 by 2, apply the formula x power n. It is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 by 3 plus 3 cos x plus 3 by 2. 2 goes up. It will be 10 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus. Okay. Okay. See the next question. Integral 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x. These are all your exercise 7.1 questions. Now it will be integral 2x minus integral 3 cos x plus integral e power x. Bring 2 outside, it is will be like this. Now, what is the formula? I have to apply it. Equate the formula integral x power n. It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 2 into x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Otherwise, you can write directly 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 plus 1, 2 minus here we require the formula integral cos x. What is integral cos x? It is sin x. It is sin x. Plus what is integral cos e power x? It is e power x. Okay. See now, integral x, assume there is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 n plus 1 minus 3 into integral cos x, it is sin x, plus integral e power x, it is e power x, plus see the steps here. Amma, if you know the total 16 formulas what I teach you yesterday, then only you will be able to solve these sums. Okay? If there is ax plus b, any way in terms of ax plus b, think that as x, and the given question will convert to one of the formula. You can apply. At last, what is x coefficient? It will come in the denominator. Here we cannot. It does not came across such kind. But in starting problems, in the place of x there is ax plus b form type sums. In that case, you have to assume that thing ax plus b as x and proceed, and at last x coefficient will come in the denominator. Next. Integral secant square x by cosecant square x. Integral secant square x by cosecant square x. See, here it will be secant square by cosecant square. It can if cosec goes upside, it will be sine. Sec comes downside, it will be equivalent to tan square x. It will be tan square x. See here, sec we can write 1 by cos. Sec we can write 1 by sine. If sine goes upside, sec comes downside, it will be, otherwise I will show you here. Sec we can write 1 by cos. Cosec 1 by sine. Sine goes upside, cos comes downside, it will be equals to tan square x. Is there any formula for us for integral tan square? There is no formula directly for tan square, but in trigonometry we have an identity. Secant square x plus tan square x. Secant square x minus tan square x equals to 1. Secant square x minus tan square x equals to 1. Then in the place of tan square x, we can write like this. Secant square x minus 1. Yes or no? See here, in the place of tan square x, we can write secant square x minus 1 because we not have the formula directly to find tan square x. So in order to solve the problem, by using trigonometric identities, we are converting tan square x into such a form for which we know the integration. Because tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. We don't know the integration for this, but we know for this because integral secant square x, and it is in yesterday's formula. See here, integral secant square x minus integral 1. What is integral secant square x? It is tan x. What is integral 1? It is x. It is x. See here, once again repeating the sum. Sec 1 by cos, we can write 1 by cos. Cosec, we can write 1 by sine. If sine goes upside, cos comes downside, it will be sine square by cos square. Sine square by cos square is equals to tan square x. It is equals to tan square x. There is no direct formula for tan square x. Tan square x we can write like this: secant square x minus 1. By using the identity secant square x minus tan square x equals to 1. If 1 comes this side and tan square x goes that side, secant square x minus 1 equals to tan square x. Secant square x minus 1. Now integrate individually secant square x and 1. What is integral secant square x? It is tan x. What is integral 1? It is x. It is x. Now we did some trigonometrical calculations and we converted the given question into a compact way which makes us too easily to integrate, and after that we apply the integration. After that we apply the integration. Trigonometry is useful in each and every concept in integration. In order to make integration easy, we use the trigonometric identities, trigonometric formulas, half-angle formulas, okay, compound angle formulas, trigonometric transformations. Once go thorough with the trigonometric formulas also. Compound angles, multiples of multiples, trigonometric transformations, okay, and identities, and conversion of one trigonometric function into other trigonometric function. Okay. Okay. Next. Move to the next question. See here. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x. By cos square x. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x. See here. This will come under 2. This will come under this thing. Okay. Take 2 outside. 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x. It is equals to secant square x. Reciprocal of cos. It is sec minus. Take 3 common outside the integral. Next. Here there are 2 cos x into cos x. Sin by cos. Sin by 1 cos. It is tan. Sin by 1 cos. It is tan. Sin by 1 cos it is tan, and other 1 by cos it is sec. It is sec. See here, cos square x you can write cos into cos. Sin by cos it is tan. 1 by cos it is sec. It is sec. See here, now we can apply the formulas. What is integral secant square x? Integral secant square x it is tan x. What is integral sec x tan x? What is integral sec x tan x? It is sec x. It is sec x. Integral secant square x it is tan x. Integral tan x sec x it is sec x. It is sec x. Okay, right plus. See the steps here. Cos square will come under this term and this term. 2 came outside. 1 by cos. It is sec. 3 came outside. Here there will be 2 cos. Integral sec x tan x it is sec x. It is sec x. See next. See the 21st and 22nd, they are objective questions. See here, find the antiderivative. The antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x plus 1 by root x. They are given four options. We can solve directly. Huh? See here. I will write the options also. See here. A 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 plus 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus C. Option B 2 by 3 x power 2 by 3 plus x in 1 by 2 x square. One by 2 x square. Next, C 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus C. See here, now let us solve this question and we will put the right option. Take the question here, root x plus 1 by root x. Root x plus 1 by root x. This we can write like this. Root x we can write like this. See here, root x we can write x power 1 by 2. If it goes up, it will become minus 1 by 2. Don't confuse in the step. Root x we can write x power 1 by 2. If it go up 1 by 2, it becomes minus 1 by 2. From if anything from down it goes up, it will become negative. From up, if it comes down, it will be okay. Next, apply the formula. What formula we require here? We require the formula x power n. What is the formula for x power n? It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. This 2 by 3 it goes up. It will, what is the answer here? 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus 2 x power 1 by 2. See what is the correct option here? C. C is the correct option. See here, C is the correct option. Okay. Let us move to the next question. D by dx of f of x. See here, they have not given f of x, they have given derivative of f of x. What that had given? 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. 3 by x power 4. And given that f of 2 equals to 0. And given that f of 2 equals to 0, it means this they have given in order to find the c value. Okay, we will bother about this in last time. No. And given four options. asked to find f of x and asked the value of f of x. See the options here. X power 4. What is the option? See, derivative of a function was given. If we do integration on both sides for this function, derivative of this thing was given. If we apply integration on both sides, integration and derivative cancel, you get f of x. So he was asking indirectly, if derivative of x power 4, now 4x power 3 minus integral 3 by x power 4. 4 will come outside, 3 will come outside, and it will be, if 3 will come outside and it will be, if see here 4 into x power 3. What formula we have to apply here? X power n. What is the formula for x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 3 into, observe it carefully, 1 by x power 4. If x power 4 goes upward, it will become x power minus 4. You have to apply the formula for x power minus 4. What is the formula for x power minus 4? X power minus 4 plus 1. Don't get confused. From where we got this minus 4. If it goes upwards, it will be x power minus 4. X power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus x power 4 minus x power 3. X power minus 3 plus c. In order to find this c, they have given this c. What that fellow had given? F of 2 equals to 0. F of 2 equals to 0. It means that in f of x function, if you put x equals to 2, we will get 0. You will get 0. You will get 0. So equate this to 0 and put x equals to 2. So equate this to 0 and put x equals to 2. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 minus 2 power minus 3. Minus 2 power minus 3 plus. This they have given in order to find c value. Okay? It is 16 minus 1 by 8. 16 into 8. It is 128. Must see here. Here it is 3. Here minus 4 plus 1 it is minus 3. Minus minus it will become plus. Minus minus it will become plus. See here 116 into 8 it is 128. 128 plus 1 it is 129 by 8 plus c equals to 0. C equals to minus 129 by 8. Minus 129 by 8. What was the answer here? Answer is x power 4 plus x power minus 3 plus minus 129 by 8. This is the answer. Go through the steps, all of you. This thing f of 2 equals to 0 they have given. In order to find the value of c, we will use this thing at the final step to calculate c. What it means to calculate c? What it means if you put x equals to 2 its value will be, the functional value will be 0. So we put it x equals 2 in this equation and equate it to 0. We got C as minus 129 by 8. Here I did directly here. See the steps here. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 got cancelled. Here minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3. Minus minus it will be plus 3, 3 get cancelled. Okay. Today we completed successfully exercise 7.1. Tomorrow we completed successfully exercise 7.1. Tomorrow we will learn new concept, new exercise. Okay. Substitution, integration by using substitution. Learn new concept, new exercise. Okay. Substitution, integration by using substitution. Solve integration sums. Okay. Before coming to next class, let's go through the formulas. The way.